In the 70s and 80s, vernacular doors were typically constructed using materials readily available in the region, such as local wood, stone, or clay. This gave the doors a unique aesthetic tied to their geographic context. Vernacular architecture prioritized practicality, so doors were designed to suit the climate and daily needs of their inhabitants. Vernacular doors often featured straightforward construction techniques that local craftsmen could easily execute, relying on joinery rather than elaborate embellishments. Doors were tailored to the environment. Hot climates demanded louvered or ventilated doors for airflow. Cold climates demanded heavy, solid doors for insulation. Rainy regions demanded raised thresholds to prevent water intrusion. The design and decoration of doors often reflected local customs or beliefs. For example, certain carvings or motifs served as protective symbols or expressions of religious faith. Door hardware, such as handles, hinges, and locks, was often handmade by local blacksmiths, featuring simple but durable designs that sometimes included regional patterns or symbols. Vernacular doors were often part of a cohesive building facade, designed to harmonize with other architectural elements like windows, porches, or decorative frames. Instead of paint or varnish, vernacular doors often showcased natural finishes, such as untreated wood or locally sourced stains. The style of doors varied widely based on geographic location. In Mediterranean vernacular, there were rounded arches and brightly painted wood. In Alpine vernacular, there were carved wood panels and heavy wooden planks. In American farmhouses, there were board and batten doors with rustic charm. While initially utilitarian, vernacular doors often evolved to incorporate more decorative elements as communities prospered, blending functionality with artistic expression.